Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here, ready for another Paletteful Packs unboxing. This is for the month of February, so let's see what's inside. Boop, boop, woo! Red for Valentine's. Wee! Ooh. Art crayons. Okay, what is this? A little dish. Pack of art crayon. I like how they bent this so that it will fit in the Petite box. And then, oh, I have one of these, except I don't have deep indigo. Cool. Ink tints. Ooh, this is pretty. Pretty blue. And then, oh my gosh, yes, even more ready cut watercolor. Cold press, 25 sheets. We got something like this before, and I have been using it, and I love it. It's 100% cotton. Good watercolor paper. Even though it's ready cut, I cut it even smaller because I do smaller. But okay, so that's everything in the box there. So that's fun. I've never used these before, but I've seen people get them in art snacks boxes. So we are going to read about them now. Marabou Art Crayon Primary Set. Art Crayon is a buttery smooth wax-based soft pastel in a sturdy, fully loaded retractable holder with an ergonomic grip and a clear protective cap. A versatile medium that's suitable for a variety of fine art and mixed media work. Art crayons work well on raw or primed surfaces such as paper, canvas, fabric, or wood. Create rich textural solids at 100% blend and stamp colors for beautiful backgrounds, or brush with water for transparent effects or reductive techniques like wipe stenciling. And the price is $18.99 for this set of primary colors. And so it's yellow, blue, red, black, and white. And they're like individually wrapped. I'm just gonna like open one while I read about the paper. Strathmore Ready Cut Watercolor Paper, 5x7. There's no need to cut down larger sheets and no wasted paper. These sheets of 500 series premium watercolor paper are pre-cut into standard size sheets for ready-made frames and mats. The paper is 100% cotton, archival, linen, and acid-free, and available in cold and hot press finishes. The price on the paper is $12.29. Let's look at this. Ooh, it is soft. Ooh, I'm excited to use these. Yay! Art crayon. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, it wasn't on camera. Whee! So that's that. Okay, so the Princeton Artiste Select Brush. This high-quality short-handled brush is made to last with its robin egg blue colored handle. It's very pretty blue. This will be a beautiful addition to your existing brush collection as they go above and beyond many other brushes on the market. $5.50. Does look nice. Okay, plastic water cup. Ready to blend your art crayons with water. Fill up this cup with a little water and you are ready to go. 85 cents. Derwent Ink Tense Pencil. This light, fast, water-soluble ink stick pencil can be mixed with water to create colorful, fluid, ink-like effects. Once dry, it will resemble sumi ink brilliance, will not dissolve, and other media can be applied over the color to achieve the desired effect. $3. Well, $2.99, but what color is that? It says deep indigo, but yeah, I just wanted to see. It's kind of that. I mean, it is what it says. Alright, well, that's fun. So I guess I will definitely be using these at some point this month to create something cool with this nice paper, which I'll probably at least cut in half. And yeah, so thanks for watching. This is the Petite Pack Marabou Art Crayons for February. And the words are jealous, wrapped, new, and romantic. I kind of stopped following the words, but there they are. Anyways, I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for joining me with that. And thanks especially to my lovely patrons, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, Ashley, and Ezsithyn. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. Thank you. Bye.